Uline stainless steel work tables with backsplash are ideal for use in commercial kitchens, food processing plants, and labs. Stainless steel work tables with backsplash resist rust and corrosion often caused by foods and chemicals. The 4-inch high backsplash protects walls and floors from spills and splashes. Uline stainless steel work tables are NSF certified and are available in multiple styles and sizes. Standard tables have a 16-gauge, Type 430 stainless steel top with rounded edges, a galvanized shelf and galvanized legs, and a 600-pound capacity. Deluxe tables feature all stainless steel construction, a 16-gauge, Type 304 top with rounded edges, Type 430 shelf, and stainless steel legs, and a 750-pound capacity. Select sizes of standard and deluxe stainless steel work tables are available with or without a bottom shelf. A bottom shelf provides convenient storage for supplies and ingredients, while a table without a shelf provides room for large carts and equipment underneath. All 30-inch wide or larger tables feature 3 support channels underneath the top and 1 under the shelf to prevent bowing and improve table rigidity. All stainless steel work tables also feature sturdy 1 5/8-inch diameter legs with leveling feet that keep the table sturdy on uneven surfaces. Multiple accessories are available to further customize your table to your needs. A set of 2 top-mounted overshelves adds storage and frees up prep space, while the drawer mounts under tables with a 30-inch wide tabletop for added storage. Casters are also available to make your table easily mobile to help with cleaning. Uline stainless steel work tables are shipped unassembled and are easy to set up. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.